to celebrate our 76th Republic Day, a day of pride, unity and remembrance. On this very day, in the year 1950, our constitution came into force, transforming India into a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. It feels good to be a free Indian, right? Do you feel patriotic? I'm sure that all of us does. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Now, I would like to call upon our respected principal ma'am to deliver a few words on this very special occasion.
Yes. So India is a country where we have great traditions, cultures and following up of these things. So we are the only country having a very big constitution with much articles, 365 articles. And we have a very big system of prime ministership and also presidencyship. No other country has been having this. So I request you all to go through about our national festivals. Why do we celebrate the national festival? Why the government is declaring few dates as the national festivals. So normal festival is different and national festivals are different, which gives a patriotism to us. So I think the constitution has been given to rule the country, to rule the people and also to follow the norms to make ourselves educated, which makes everybody to be in a streamlined position and aim for the greatest developments of each and every area. So every state has its own culture. No other country is having the same heritage as India is having. So we should be very proud to be in India. So what is today? Why? Why we are celebrating Republic Day? The constitution is framed on this day. Okay. What is the constitution? Who framed the constitution? Exactly. Very good. Very good. The credit goes to social teacher. Who is your social teacher? Surabhi? That's what. See, when you have a subject social, what do you mean by the subject? Social. Social. Lifetime. Lifeline. Lifestyle. Social. History. Yes, yes. It gives a knowledge about the environment, which gives the knowledge about the people, national leaders. What are their ideas, ideologies? Why did they give all these ideologies?
Thanks the national anthem Jana Gana Mana, and the president gives awards to the brave soldiers and brave peoples who have worked for our India. So, the president
Going to talk about of Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. Our constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Every year it is celebrated with great pride and happiness all over India. Republic Day gives us the message of unity and equality. We all should respect our constitution. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shivanshu, for your wonderful.
I feel honored to stand before you. India's constitution came into effect at 26th January 1950. Many leaders like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi sacrificed
देश को सलाम सलाम देश को प्रणाम प्रणाम